Welcome to our health series. Today we are diving into a topic that is essential for our bodies, protein. But what exactly does protein do for our health? Well, let's get into it. Protein is a crucial macronutrient that's like the backbone of our health. It's the building block of every cell, tissue, and organ in our body. Yes, you heard it right. Every single cell in your body is made up of protein. Imagine a house without bricks. That's your body without protein. It's not just about muscles and bodybuilding. This super nutrient is involved in everything from metabolism to immune system function, and even brain function. It's like the multitasker of the nutrient world, always busy keeping us healthy and strong. In the next scenes, we will explore how protein aids in various bodily functions. So stay tuned as we unravel the power of protein in our bodies. First up, let's talk about muscles. How does protein play a part in muscle development? Protein is like the construction crew of your body. It's responsible for building and repairing tissues, including muscles. This becomes particularly important after exercise. When you work out, you're creating tiny tears in your muscle fibers. It's protein's job to swoop in and repair these tears, helping your muscles to become stronger and larger over time. But protein doesn't just build muscles. It also plays a critical role in preserving muscle mass. You see, when we don't get enough protein, our bodies can start to break down muscle tissue to use for energy. This is especially true during periods of stress or illness, or when we're not getting enough calories from other sources. Now you might be thinking, okay, so protein builds and preserves muscles, but what about fat loss? Well, protein can actually aid in that too. Remember how I said that protein is like a construction crew? Well, it turns out that this construction crew is pretty high maintenance. It needs a lot of energy just to do its job. That means that when you eat protein, your body has to burn more calories just to digest and absorb it. This can give your metabolism a little boost and help you burn more fat. Moreover, because muscles are metabolically active, the more muscle mass you have, the more calories you burn, even when you're at rest. This means that by helping to build and preserve muscle mass, protein can also indirectly help promote fat loss. So, protein is not just about building muscles, it's also about maintaining them. And if that wasn't enough, it also supports fat loss. So next time you're planning your meals, remember to include a healthy source of protein. Your muscles will thank you. Moving on, did you know protein can also boost your metabolism? It's true, and here's how it happens. When we talk about metabolism, we're referring to all the chemical reactions that keep you alive and functioning. One of the elements that can affect your metabolism is the thermic effect of food, which is the energy your body needs to digest, absorb, and process nutrients. Now, what makes protein stand out is its high thermic effect. So what does this mean? Essentially, your body requires more energy to break down protein compared to fats and carbohydrates. Just imagine, every time you eat a protein-rich meal, your body is working a little harder, burning more calories, and as a result, giving your metabolism a boost. This metabolic boost from protein doesn't just stop at digestion. Once absorbed, protein molecules are used in a myriad of ways, from building and repairing tissues to making enzymes, hormones, and other body chemicals. Each of these processes further contributes to your metabolic rate as they all require energy. But there's more. By preserving muscle mass, protein indirectly contributes to a higher metabolism as well. This happens because muscle tissue is metabolically active and burns more calories than fat, even at rest. So, the more muscle mass you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate. Now let's not forget that a well-functioning metabolism is key for weight management. It determines how many calories you burn in a day and therefore how much food you should eat to maintain, lose, or gain weight. In this regard, the metabolic boost provided by protein can be a game changer. With its high thermic effect, protein can be a helpful ally in your weight management journey. Now let's delve into the world of immunity. How does protein fortify our immune system? Well, to answer that, we first need to understand a bit about how our immune system works. At the heart of our immune defense are white blood cells, which are essentially the body's security team. They patrol our bloodstream, on the lookout for any invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances. Now here's where protein comes in. You see, a particular type of white blood cell, known as a lymphocyte, produces a substance called antibodies. These antibodies are like the body's special forces designed to recognize and neutralize specific invaders. And guess what? These antibodies are made from, you guessed it, protein. But protein's role in our immune system doesn't stop there. Protein also supports the immune function by maintaining the health of our skin and the mucous membranes in our respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts. These barriers are our body's first line of defense against harmful invaders. Without enough protein, these barriers can become weak, leaving us more susceptible to infections. Moreover, protein helps in the production of cytokines, which are small proteins that our immune cells release to communicate with each other. These cytokines play a vital role in coordinating our body's response to infections and inflammation. In other words, protein helps keep our immune system's communication lines open and running smoothly. Also, let's not forget that protein is essential for the growth and repair of cells, including those in our immune system. Without adequate protein, our body may struggle to produce enough new immune cells or repair damaged ones, potentially leaving us more vulnerable to infections. So, as we can see, protein plays a multifaceted role in our immune function. From the production of antibodies to the maintenance of our body's defensive barriers, and from the communication between immune cells to the growth and repair of these cells, protein is involved at every step. In essence, protein is a critical component in keeping our immune system robust. Beyond muscles and immunity, protein has a far-reaching impact on our body's functions. This powerful macronutrient is truly the cornerstone of our body's operations, with its influence extending to various areas such as hormone production, brain function, blood sugar control, heart health, and exercise performance. Let's delve into these one by one. First, hormone production. Proteins are involved in creating hormones, which are essentially chemical messengers that facilitate communication between cells, tissues, and organs. This means they have a hand in everything from mood regulation to growth and development. Moving on to brain function, proteins play a significant role here too. They help produce neurotransmitters, the brain's chemical messengers, which allow neurons to communicate with each other. This is crucial for memory, learning, and overall cognitive function. Next, we have blood sugar control. Proteins help maintain stable blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This can prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, which are often associated with fatigue, irritability, and even more serious health complications. Heart health is another area where proteins make their mark. They assist in maintaining blood pressure and cholesterol levels in the healthy range, supporting overall cardiovascular health. Finally, let's talk about exercise performance. Proteins are not just about building muscles. They also aid in the recovery and repair of muscle tissue after workouts. This reduces muscle soreness and enables you to get back to your fitness routine sooner. As you can see, protein's role extends to nearly every aspect of our health. It's not just about muscle growth or immunity, but a wide array of functions that keep us in top shape. So, the next time you consume your protein-rich meal, remember, you're fueling much more than just your muscles. In a nutshell, protein is a vital player in our overall health and well-being. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed so far. Protein, this essential macronutrient, is the building block of our bodies, from our cells to our tissues and organs. It supports muscle development, boosting our strength and physical performance. It also supercharges our metabolism, helping us to efficiently process nutrients and maintain a healthy weight. Moreover, it's not just about our physical prowess. Protein also strengthens our immune system, enabling us to ward off illnesses and recover faster when we do fall sick. It aids in the production of enzymes, hormones, and antibodies, all of which are crucial for our bodies to function smoothly. But the benefits of protein extend beyond these. It plays a role in numerous other bodily functions, such as cell growth and repair, hormone production, brain function, blood sugar control, heart health, and even our mood and mental well-being. It helps us maintain a stable energy level throughout the day and supports muscle recovery after exercise. Protein also contributes to our overall body composition, helping us preserve muscle mass while promoting fat loss, which can aid in weight management. It's a key player in maintaining hormonal balance and controlling appetite, which can contribute to a healthier lifestyle overall. Remember, it's not just about consuming protein, but consuming enough of it. The amount of protein needed can vary based on factors like age, sex, and activity level. But as a general rule, it should make up a significant portion of your daily caloric intake. In essence, protein is more than a dietary component. It's a life-enhancing macronutrient. It's a powerhouse that supports our bodies in countless ways, contributing to our overall health and well-being. So make sure to include enough protein in your diet for your body to function at its best. That's all for today's topic, folks. We've walked through the wonderful world of protein and its remarkable benefits for our bodies. From muscle development to metabolism, immune function to other vital bodily functions, Protein is indeed the building block that keeps us going strong. Remember, incorporating the right amount of protein in your diet is crucial. It's not just about building muscles, but also about maintaining an optimal body composition, hormonal balance, appetite control, brain function, stable blood sugar levels, and cardiovascular health. Protein also supports muscle recovery and repair after exercise, and can aid in weight loss by preserving muscle mass while promoting fat loss. In short, protein is a vital component for overall health and well-being. We're delighted to have shared this valuable information with you. We hope it inspires you to make mindful choices for your health and wellness. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to taking care of your body. Before you go, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy, stay informed.